Today, we're doing something super useful, a small set of Marathi verbs that show up everywhere. Not textbook everywhere, real life everywhere. The kind of verbs you'll hear in homes, shops, on the street, in autos, with friends, with family, all the time. Nice and simple. A1 level, easy flow, no stress. Tension nako. Our core verbs today are asane, to be, zane, to go, yene, to come, karane, to do, dene, to give, and kene, to take. If you get comfortable with just these, your Marathi suddenly feels much more alive. Let's start with the biggest one, to be. In Marathi, one very common form is ahe, meaning is, am, or are, depending on the sentence. So, mi ite ahe means I am here. Tu tik ahes means you are okay. And he changla ahe means this is good. Tiny memory trick, ahe sounds like a little anchor. It helps the sentence sit down and exist. If you want to say where you are, what something is like, what is available, ahe comes in all the time. How do you say I am here in Marathi? Mi ite ahe. Mi ite ahe. Nice. Now another super practical one. If you want to ask for something, Marathi often uses a pattern with hava ahe, literally something like is wanted. So mala pani hava ahe. Mala pani hava ahe. I want water. Tula chaha hava ahe ka. Tula chaha hava ahe ka. Do you want tea? How do you say, do you want tea in Marathi? Tula chaha hava ahe ka. Tula chaha hava ahe ka. Very common, very natural. You'll hear this kind of thing a lot. Now let's move to zarne, to go. One common everyday form is zato, jato, for a male speaker saying I go, and zate, jate, for a female speaker. At A1, don't panic, just notice the pattern. If you're male, mi khari zato, I am going home, or I go home. If you're female, mi khari zate. How do you say I am going home in Marathi? Mi ghari jato. Mi ghari jato. If you're female, you'd say mi ghari jati. Good to know both, even if you mainly use one. A tiny shortcut. Ghari means homeward, to home, at home, depending on context. Marathi loves these compact location words. Ite means here, dite means there, ghari means home. Super high frequency. Gold level words. Now the partner verb, yene, to come. Very useful. Come here is ikade ye. Nice and short. With friends or someone younger, ye is common and casual. You'll hear it all the time. How do you say come here in Marathi? Ikade ye. Good. And if someone says mi yeto, that means I'm coming, said by a male speaker. Female, mi yete. So if your friend calls and asks, kute ahes, where are you? You can say yeto, coming, or yete. Let's connect go and come, because learners sometimes mix them up. Zarne is movement away, go. Yene is movement toward, come. If I say mi bazarat zato, I'm going to the market. If I say mi ata yeto, I'm coming now. Go is away, come is toward. Simple. How do you say I am coming now in Marathi? Mi ata yeto. Mi ata yeto. Female version, mi ata yete. Next, karne, to do. Another superstar verb. You can use it in so many places. Mi kam karto. I do work, or I work. Kai kartos means what are you doing? Super common in speech. If someone asks kai kartos, they are not asking for your life philosophy. Usually just, what are you doing? How do you say, what are you doing, in Marathi? काय करतोस? काय करतोस? Nice. If speaking to a girl casually, you may hear काय करतेस. At this level, just recognize both. Don't get stuck. Keep moving. Now देने to give and kene to take. These are survival verbs. Shop, home, food, objects, directions, all over the place. De means give in a casual everyday way. For example, Barney de, give water. Zara thumb, pen de, wait a sec, give me the pen. And ke means take. He ke, take this. Paisa ghe, take the money. How do you say take this in Marathi? He ghe. He ghe. How do you say give water in Marathi? Pani de. Pani de. Quick memory trick. De is give away from the speaker, and ke is take toward yourself. De throws outward, ke pulls inward. Tiny movie in your head. De, hand goes out. Ke, hand comes in. That little body memory trick really helps. Let's build a few mini real-life phrases with these verbs. Mi ite ahe, I am here. Tu kute ahes, where are you? Mi ghari zato, I'm going home. Tu ite ye, you come here. He kar, do this. He ghe, take this. Mala pani de, give me water. That one, mala pani de, is especially useful. Mala means to me or for me, so literally, give water to me. Marathi uses this pattern a lot. How do you say give me water in Marathi? Mala pani de. Mala pani de. Very good. Let's do a tiny detour, because this helps your ear. In Marathi conversation, people often drop things that are obvious. So instead of a full long sentence, someone may just say yeto, coming, zato, going, de, give, ghe, take. Short, quick, natural. Like in English, we say coming or got it. So don't expect every sentence to sound complete and formal. Real speech is chill. Short forms are very common. Now, a few common mistakes to avoid. First mistake, mixing up ahe and ahis. Mi ipe ahe is I am here. Tu ite ahis is you are here. So don't say tu ite ahe by accident. For now, just remember, with me usually ahe, with tu usually ahis. Second mistake, confusing go and come. Zato is go, yeto is come. If your friend says come here, that's ikre ye, not ikre ja. Ja means go. Third mistake, forgetting that some forms change a bit for male and female speakers. Mi zato, male. Mi zate, female. Mi yeto, male. Mi yete, female. At A1, this is enough. No need to memorize a giant chart today. Fourth mistake, using very long formal phrases when a short natural one works better. Instead of trying to build a fancy sentence, sometimes just say, hey, hey, take this, or bani de, give water, or mi yeto, I'm coming. Done, clean and useful. Let's put everything into a short story now. Listen first, just enjoy it. Mi ite ahe, macha mitra tithe ahe, mi tyala mhanto ikre ye, to mhanto mi ata yeto. Mag mi tyala pani deto ani to mhanto he kai ahe, mi mhanto chaha karto. Now again, one line at a time. Mi ite ahe, I am here. Macha mitra tithe ahe, my friend is there. Mi tyala mhanto ikre ye, I say to him, come here. To mhanto mi ata yeto. He says, I'm coming now. Mag mi tyala pani deto ani to mhanto he kai ahe. Then I give him water, and he says, what is this? Mi mhanto chaha karto. I say, I'm making tea. Nice and simple. And notice how many times our core verbs appeared. Ahe, ye, yeto, deto, karto. This is exactly why these verbs matter so much. They keep showing up. Let's recycle them fast, one more time, with your brain doing a little more work. How do you say, I am here, in Marathi? मी इथे आहे. मी इथे आहे. How do you say come here in Marathi? इकडे ये. इकडे ये. How do you say take this in Marathi? हे घे. हे घे. How do you say give me water in Marathi? मला पाणी दे. मला पाणी दे. How do you say I am going home in Marathi? मी घरी जातो. मी घरी जातो. How do you say I am coming now in Marathi? मी आता येतो. मी आता येतो. What are you doing in Marathi? काय करतोस? काय करतोस? Beautiful. Here's a compact memory map before we finish. Ahe means be. Zato or zate means go. Yeto or yete means come. Karto or karte means do. De means give. Ghe means take. If you remember just that map, you already have a practical toolkit for daily Marathi. One more tiny trick. Group them in pairs. Za and ye, go and come. De and ke, give and take. Ahe stands alone as be. God is your action helper, do. Pairing verbs like this makes them easier to remember later. And don't worry if you can't produce every form perfectly yet. At this stage, recognition plus a few strong survival phrases is a huge win. If you can say mi ite ahe, mi ghari jato, ikde ye, he khe, mala pani de, and kai kartos, you're already doing real Marathi, not just memorizing random words. So, quick recap. Today you learned super common Marathi verbs used in real speech. Asme, jane, yene, karne, dene, and khene. You practiced short, useful phrases, learned the go versus come difference, the give versus take difference, and saw how ahe helps you say basic things like I am here or do you want tea. Keep these phrases in your head today. Say them while walking, cooking, driving, chilling, whatever. Mi ite ahe, mi yeto, mi ghari jato, he khe, pani de. Tiny lines, big progress. Must come today. Seriously, little by little, Marathi starts sounding familiar, then comfortable, then natural. Keep going. You've got this.